Day after day, without realizing it, you are being conditioned to lose control of your own mind. Grow personally and emotionally with a method that works, or you will remain trapped in autopilot without even noticing. Imagine living in a time that demands more focus and depth than ever before, yet paradoxically pulls you away from both with every alert, message, and distraction. Every time you pick up your phone, you give away a fragment of your attention, and with it, a piece of your life. Like water and sunlight, technology is essential, but in excess it can suffocate. Without limits, the digital world locks you into autopilot, making it increasingly rare to stop, reflect, and make decisions for yourself. If technology has been stealing your focus, this video is for you. Discover how to turn silence into concentration and moments of introspection into pure creativity. This channel is new, subscribe now, because what I am about to reveal can forever change the way you live. In this video, we reveal how being alone with your own thoughts can open doors to creativity and powerfully boost your inner growth. You will discover a practical path to strengthen this transformation in your daily life. Studies show that investing in personal and emotional development strengthens areas of the brain linked to creativity and mental control. Source: Tang et al., 2015, Frontiers in Psychology. Practices like moments of reflection, journaling, and mindfulness reduce stress, increase clarity, and stimulate the generation of original ideas. And cultivating these skills not only improves well-being but also enhances mental capacity. Source: Kaufman and Gregoire, 2016, Creativity Research Journal. What if, for a moment, you disconnected from everything? No notifications, no endless feeds, just you and your own inner voice. In that space of calm, thoughts that were once scattered begin to align. It's like opening a window and letting fresh air in, revealing paths that once seemed invisible. Just a few moments in this state can bring deep insights, guiding your choices and reigniting your confidence about where you want to go. If today were your last day, would you be happy with the focus and control you have over your mind? Stay with me for the next 2 minutes and you will learn a simple yet powerful method to unlock your personal and emotional growth with the help of ASMR. Don't leave now, because this could be the turning point your mind needs. Notice the contrast between those who remain on autopilot and those who learn to take command of their own minds. Continuous distraction exhausts you, blocks creativity, and leads to shallow decisions. Those who break this pattern achieve clarity, focus, and the ability to innovate. Glued to their screens, many live anxious, impatient, and disconnected from the present. But by regaining control, they discover inner peace, deeper bonds, and genuine presence. Studies indicate that the practice of mindfulness strengthens the brain, reduces stress, and expands the ability to solve complex problems with clarity. Now I ask you, how is your inner growth going? Are you willing to transform your habits? If the answer is yes, get ready to discover a weekly method of personal and emotional development that combines moments of reflection with practical actions. It's simple, yet capable of producing profound changes, strengthening your mind, sharpening your focus, and awakening your creativity. Before revealing the step-by-step, let's explore some of the benefits this practice can bring to your life. More mental clarity. By cutting distractions and setting priorities, you organize your thoughts and decide with confidence. Less stress, conscious breaks and moments of calm throughout the day relax your body and mind. More creativity, silence and connection with nature create space for original ideas. Strengthened focus and discipline, reducing social media and notifications at strategic hours trains your mindfulness. Improving sleep quality. Creating a nighttime wind-down ritual helps the body enter a state of deep, restorative rest. Gratitude and well-being, reflecting on what was positive during the day strengthens contentment and satisfaction. Reconnection with the present, daily practices encourage conscious presence, bringing more balance and purpose. Now, let's go through the weekly actions to get out of autopilot and fully enjoy these benefits. Monday, action of the day. Start by defining only 3 real priorities and turn off notifications for 2 hours. At night, take a moment to breathe deeply, relax, and reflect. My attention is precious, and I choose where to invest it. Tuesday, action of the day. Set aside 15 minutes to walk without your phone, paying attention to the sounds and movements around you. If you can't go outside, look out the window and connect with your surroundings. Reflect. In silence, I find my own rhythm. Wednesday, action of the day. Complete an important task without opening social media. At the end, acknowledge your achievement and meditate on the phrase, "When I focus, I discover what I am capable of creating." Thursday, action of the day. Write down something that has been occupying your mind and, once finished, allow yourself to let go of that thought. Reflect. I release what I cannot control and focus on what is essential. Friday, action of the day. Take 5-minute breaks every hour to breathe deeply and reconnect with the present moment. Think, I return to the present whenever I choose to breathe. Saturday, action of the day. In the morning, enjoy the sound of birds while having your coffee or tea without looking at any screens. Remember, simplicity is enough to fill me with peace. Sunday, action of the day. Write down 3 small things you are grateful for today. It could be the smell of coffee, a smile you received, or the morning breeze. Meditate on the phrase, "Gratitude for the little things turn simple moments into great blessings." After weeks of applying this method, the transformation becomes clear. The mind, once overloaded with distractions and excess stimuli, starts to work with clarity, focus, and organization. Anxiety gives way to steady calm, while the body gains energy and readiness to act. Decisions become conscious and strategic, and creativity awakens, bringing solutions that were once blocked. Sleep deepens, generating renewal for the next day. Small pleasures, like feeling the wind on your face or enjoying a cup of coffee, become genuine sources of satisfaction. Relationships strengthen with real presence and full attention. The habit of reflecting and cultivating gratitude elevates well-being, opening doors to balance and a mind prepared for success. This is the moment when you leave autopilot behind and truly take control of your life. Do not limit this practice to just 1 week. Make it part of your routine and discover that living with focus does not mean abandoning technology, but using it consciously as an ally. It is in silence that you reconnect with who you truly are. This channel is just beginning. If this message resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, a clear mind is like an open horizon, everything is revealed with sharpness. See you in the next video.